What is a key advantage of selection sort compared to other sorting algorithms? Correct answer, it requires no extra memory beyond the input array. Explanation, selection sort is an in-place algorithm, using only constant additional space. This low space requirement is its primary advantage over many other sorting techniques. Which core technique does merge sort use to perform the sorting operation? Correct answer, merging. Explanation, merge sort works by merging two sorted subarrays into a single sorted array after dividing the input, which is the fundamental operation of the algorithm. Which algorithmic paradigm does merge sort follow to perform sorting? Correct answer, divide and conquer. Explanation, merge sort repeatedly divides the array into smaller parts, sorts them, and then combines them, which is the essence of the divide and conquer technique. Which algorithm's implementation approach is most similar to how insertion sort works? Correct answer, binary heap. Explanation, in a binary heap, elements are inserted one at a time and repositioned to maintain heap order, which is conceptually similar to how insertion sort places elements into their correct position incrementally. Which sorting algorithm is commonly used together with quicksort to efficiently handle small subarrays? Correct answer, insertion sort. Explanation, quicksort switches to insertion sort for small subarrays because insertion sort has low overhead and performs faster on small or nearly sorted data sets. What best describes the concept of randomized quicksort? Correct answer, a randomly selected element is used as the pivot. Explanation, randomized quicksort selects the pivot at random, which helps avoid consistently poor partitions and reduces the chance of worst-case performance on specific input patterns. Which core operation does quicksort rely on to arrange elements during sorting? Correct answer, partitioning. Explanation, quicksort works by partitioning the array around a pivot element, placing smaller elements on one side and larger ones on the other, and then recursively sorting the partitions. Why is insertion sort preferred over other simple sorting algorithms, such as bubble or selection sort, when used within intro sort? Correct answer, because insertion sort is faster on small, nearly sorted subarrays and is adaptive. Explanation: insertion sort has low overhead and adaptive behavior, making it very efficient for small or partially sorted subarrays, which is why intro sort switches to it for such cases. Shell sort is categorized under which type of sorting approach? Correct answer, in-place sorting. Explanation: shell sort rearranges elements within the original array using only constant extra space, making it an in-place sorting algorithm. Which of the following is not a specific advantage of optimized bubble sort when the input array is already sorted? Correct answer, it takes less time to complete. Explanation: optimized bubble sort improves performance on sorted data by detecting no swaps, making it faster and able to stop early. However, consumes less time is not a distinct advantage over faster and is not considered a separate characteristic. Which of the following sorting algorithms is based on the insertion method for placing elements in their correct positions? Correct answer, cube sort. Explanation: cube sort is a variant of insertion sort that places elements into sorted buckets, or cubes, and then merges them. It relies on the insertion principle, unlike bubble, quick, or selection sort. Which of the following sorting algorithms is unstable, meaning it does not always preserve the relative order of equal elements? Correct answer, cycle sort. Explanation: cycle sort minimizes writes by moving elements directly to their correct position, which can change the relative order of equal elements, making it unstable. Unlike insertion, bubble, or merge sort is stable if implemented carefully. Which of the following is another name for library sort? Correct answer, gapped insertion sort. Explanation: library sort is also called gapped insertion sort because it inserts elements into pre-allocated gaps to reduce shifting, improving insertion efficiency over standard insertion sort. How many loops are typically used to implement the gnome sort algorithm? Correct answer, single loop. Explanation: gnome sort can be implemented using a single loop with a pointer that moves forward or backward to swap elements, unlike traditional nested loop sorting algorithms. What is a key advantage of comb sort compared to merge sort? Correct answer, comb sort is an in-place sorting algorithm. Explanation, unlike merge sort, which requires extra memory for merging, comb sort sorts the array in place, using only a constant amount of additional space. Why does sleep sort often fail to compile or run on online compilers? Correct answer, it requires multithreading process. Explanation, sleep sort relies on creating a separate thread for each element to sleep for a duration proportional to the value, which many online compilers do not support, causing compilation or runtime failures. What is an advantage of pigeonhole sort compared to merge sort? Correct answer, pigeonhole sort has lower time complexity when the range of elements is close to the number of input elements. Explanation, pigeonhole sort performs in O of n plus range time. When the range of input values is not much larger than the number of elements, it can be faster than merge sort's O of n log n complexity. What is an advantage of counting sort over quick sort? Correct answer, counting sort has lower time complexity when the range of elements is close to the number of input elements. Explanation, counting sort runs in O of n plus k time, where k is the range of input values. When the range is small relative to the number of elements, it is faster than quick sort's average O of n log n complexity. Which of the following sorting algorithms is adaptive, meaning it performs better on partially sorted arrays? Correct answer, binary insertion sort. Explanation, binary insertion sort is adaptive because it reduces comparisons for elements that are already partially sorted, improving performance compared to standard insertion sort or non-adaptive algorithms like merge or heap sort. Which sorting algorithm has the same time complexity for best, average, and worst cases? Correct answer, counting sort. Explanation, counting sort is non-comparison based and always processes all elements in O of n plus k time, regardless of their initial order, so its complexity does not vary between best, average, or worst cases. Which data structure is essential for implementing tree sort? Correct answer, binary search tree. Explanation, tree sort inserts elements into a binary search tree, BST, and then performs an in-order traversal to retrieve elements in sorted order. The BST property ensures correct sorting. Which sorting algorithm is used as a building block in TimSort? Correct answer, merge sort. Explanation, TIM-sort is a hybrid algorithm that combines merge sort and insertion sort, using merge sort's technique to efficiently merge runs of sorted sequences. Which sorting algorithm is used internally by Java's arrays.sort method for objects? Correct answer, TIM-sort. Explanation, Java's arrays.sort for objects uses TIM-sort, a hybrid algorithm combining merge sort and insertion sort, optimized for real-world data with partially ordered sequences. Which sorting algorithm relies on binary search as part of its implementation? Correct answer, library sort. Explanation, library sort, also called gapped insertion sort, uses binary search to find the correct insertion position for elements efficiently, reducing comparisons compared to standard insertion sort. Which technique does cocktail sort use to arrange elements in order? Correct answer, exchanging. Explanation, cocktail sort works by swapping, exchanging, adjacent elements that are out of order, moving forwards and backwards through the array until it is sorted.